The three-row full-size SUV segment, which is dominated by domestic vehicles like the Cadillac Escalade and the Lincoln Navigator, has seen a new competitor from Germany in 2022 with the BMW X7. The Bavarian three-row SUV has dominated sales for the global players thanks to its luxurious interior, two potent engine choices, large payload capacity, and exceptional driving dynamics. However, for many buyers, the high $101,000 cost of ownership for the first 5 years cancels out the impressive 81 out of 100 reliability ratings given by J.D. Power. Due to a lengthy recall schedule it was a part of, the BMW X7's reliability has been in the spotlight since its release. In just 4 model years, the German SUV was recalled 16 times for various issues. A few user complaints about minor flaws that weren't appropriate for the product's price range have also been made. Let's examine some of these problems and decide if purchasing an expensive 2022 X7 in comparison to vehicles like the Mercedes-Benz GLS 450 and the Audi Q7 is worthwhile. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Steering issues. The electrical assistance for the steering wheel has been reported to fail while driving by some X7 owners. The SUV becomes uncontrollable as a result. Some owners have reported instances where the steering mechanism completely failed. Infotainment issues. The 2019 X7's infotainment system is rumored to fluctuate and occasionally go black. This distracts the driver and hides crucial information from them. Additionally, it is claimed that the system has connectivity issues with Android phones. Exploding sunroof. Some 2020 X7 owners reported that the sunroof would suddenly explode without any obvious cause. The cabin's occupants suffered cuts and bruises as a result of the broken glass that fell inside. Gear slipping. Some 2019 X7 owners have voiced complaints about how the vehicle automatically shifts from park or neutral to drive without the driver's input. Some people have been hurt as a result of the SUV's unintended movement. Braking issues. 2019 BMW X5 owners have voiced complaints about the brakes losing electrical power. As a result, the car runs into nearby objects. Despite the absence of any injuries, BMW has issued a recall. ESC disabled. When a fault is found and displayed to the driver, the ESC on the X7 immediately shuts off. This makes it very difficult to control the SUV. The system has reportedly been known to shut down in the smallest of circumstances, leading to significant distraction and possibly raising the risk of an accident. Seat niggles. People have complained that the electrical components of their seats are broken. The problem prevents the seats from moving or performing any other functions. Headlight issues. The headlights have been criticized for emitting a blue light. Oncoming traffic's visibility is impacted by this light. There have been complaints of hostile responses from other vehicles. Recalls. Over the course of 4 model years, the BMW X7 was involved in 16 different recalls. There were many different reasons for the recalls, some of which involved fewer than 100 units. With 7 recalls, the 2019 BMW X7 leads the pack, with the others closely behind. The 2022 X7 hasn't had any recalls, and it's significantly better than earlier models. Nevertheless, the most recent recall was issued on March 10, 2021. Should you buy? Starting with its base trim, the 2022 BMW X7 achieves the ideal balance between comfort and performance. Although there haven't been any recalls associated with the name of the SUV yet, given its history, the likelihood that one will occur is fairly high. If purchasing a used X7, ensure that the SUV has been inspected for recalls and that any necessary repairs or replacements have been made.